guys? We got another trade recap today. Just showing you guys again kind of what I saw today and what trades I made. So we'll start off with news today on Forex Factory. Today is FOMC, so typically not a lot of people trade today in the morning because FOMC kind of makes a huge deal with interest rate cuts. So the main news isn't until 2 o'clock, but we can go back to TradingView. So we can look at what happened with our daily profile. So we can see that here, that Asia session low here and Asia session high here. Then we come into London session. London session manipulates these highs and reverses off of them. And you can see it closes below here the lows of Asia, so that completes the sweep. We can go to NQ and look at the same thing. Same thing here. Also here there's 1 hour highs, hourly highs here that we sweep, which is mainly why I say we come up here, sweep, and reverse these lows. So we have the sweep there, which means we completed that. So we're going to be looking for a 5-minute manipulation with the potential SMT on an index. So we'll scroll down here. This is NQ, 5 minute. Here's ES. So kind of what I saw today was, so we can see market opens up on ES and it makes a move down. It sweeps out these lows of London here and these hourly lows here. NQ, what do we see? NQ here. We come down here. Bang, sweep out these both these lows and make almost sweep out these daily lows down here. And from what I'm seeing is that NQ is more of the leading index to the downside compared to, you can see ES swept and reversed up and kept going up. But what I saw was, I'm looking for an SMT, so there's these 850 highs here that we manipulate here, but on NQ 850 highs we don't get anywhere close to this. So all I'm looking for is basically a break of structure once we make a high. So we come up here, we're making a high, and we can zoom into the 1 minute down here. We make this high, and all I'm looking for is basically a break of structure or an inverse fair value gap, and we can see right here from these lows that we make a lower low. So in my head it's a break of structure, so I'm gonna enter here at 950. I'll put my stop loss above here because it's an SMT, so I wouldn't put it above it because, or to my second low, because there's no need to, because it's an SMT. That's basically the highest point. So also, the next thing we'll do is, where are we going to take profit? Well, we want to take profit at 5-minute lows here. So the only 5-minute low we have is these 5-minute lows. Or if you want to be, you could have a take profit at these 5-minute lows and then another take profit here at these daily lows. So we can see that we did take profit here, but then we actually did reverse back up and come down. So that trade was a 2.03 risk to reward, which is a pretty good trade today. Also, I'll show you one more trade that you guys could have taken. As you can see here, another huge SMT. So from these lows at 9:35 to these lows at 11 o'clock, we go under them, and then here 9:35, 11 o'clock, we don't surpass these lows, saying we have this is a bullish SMT on ES. So we can zoom into the 1 minute time frame, wait for an inverse fair value gap break of structure. We get an inverse fair value gap right here, but we don't close above it, we actually make equal. We close above it here at these 1 minute highs, which we can put our stop losses down to these lows, and our take profit would be at these 1 hour highs. Which would be a 1.26 risk to reward, or you could even put them up here higher. So that was another trade today. I will be trading FOMC here in about an hour, and I will probably post a video about that too. So stay tuned. Peace, boys.